Once that bell rings, dealing with him is no laughing matter.
Yeah, when Rikishi sets his mind to it, he can be a seriously intimidating opponent. For a big man, he can come at you fast and still hit like a truck. So before making jokes about his dance moves, you better focus on just surviving the match.
Oh, stomping away. Choke slam!
Planted.
Rikishi finds his target with that one. Rikishi, top turnbuckle.
From the top.
Oh, my. And Prince might be a little less of a beauty after that attack.
If Rikishi can produce more of that, it might get the job done. Stomp after stomp after stomp.
Rikishi is picking the competition apart.
The homework done on Elton.
Lift off through the air. It connects.
Just crashing down with high impact.
In your estimation, Corey, what's the most important thing to keep in mind when matching up against Rikishi?
You have to look past the dancing and remember that Rikishi's an athlete. He can be fast and he can hit hard, so you've got to be prepared. Don't make the mistake of underestimating this bad, bad man.
Uh-oh. Enzu lariat. And Rikishi with a counter. Brought back into the ring from the floor now. He may not be aware of the count. He's got to get back in.
Trying to wrestle free their opponent's arm, has the arm trapped.
Delivering nasty stomps. Each of those boots seem to get heavier with each blow.
Left by the turnbuckles. And there was some force on that move. Rikishi isn't going to be dancing anytime soon after that. And he thinks he has it. Stops the count before a 2.
Close call, but not enough yet. Going way up high.
Oof. Flying.
Whoa! Kimrata!
Unbelievable athleticism. That maneuver goes to show you how much speed kills.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. Big forearm.
And Prince is now dictating the pace.
Seeing some hellacious offense from Prince.
Oh, back elbow. Oh, right in there.
And that might be the momentum swing Rikishi needed.
Could be the exact U-turn Rikishi needed in this match.
Prince just looking to humiliate his opponent.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him.
Oh no, trapping the arm. Vicious stomps to the hand. Battling ringside, and our announce table's getting shaky.
That's because Byron is quivering in fear next to me.
I get nervous when the fight comes out here, guys.
And he gets set back into the ring.
Climbing up top, he's got big plans.
Launching.
Man, a bruising use of their body.
Rikishi is getting picked apart right now.
Yeah, Rikishi's on the wrong side of every exchange. He was waiting for him to make...
Oh, that can shatter a jaw.
That's won it for Prince before.
Makes a cover. He kicks out somehow.
Man, oh man, what resilience.
He's got to be running on instinct alone.
Though you got to believe he'll be looking for the kill shot one more time. Block the effort and cut them off with a shot to the gut. Great strength being shown here. Straight impact on the throat. Oh, my!
A show of confidence from Rikishi. Oh, my goodness.
Ah, what a smash!
That is just insulting.
He fights Rikishi back. Heavy body shots. Whipped hard. What a clothesline. The body is starting to fail at this point.
Maybe just stay down, man. You've done enough.
Enough already. Elbow drop.
Prince using that.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Elton is your winner here.
Here is your winner, Elton Prince.
A beautiful win for Elton Prince here tonight.
Exclusive WrestleMania 2026 no longer set the new orders of WWE organizational despite the earlier statement of this year. WrestleMania will not take place in New Orleans of 2026. According to the statement provided Thursday to WrestleManiacs of the statement provided by the Great New Orleans Sport Foundation indicate the event being rescheduled on later unspecified year. During the segment of SmackDown featuring The Rock, Dwayne Johnson revealed the location after this article was published. NOLA.com reported that Las Vegas will host this side of WrestleMania in 2026. Rather than WrestleMania, WWE that Money Bank and Premium also collect that. The news follows the recently announced UFC of smoothing that was broader and specified the Money in the Bank 2026, but the annual event usually takes place in June or July. The Greater Orleans Sport of WWE SmackDown. It is the number of curriculum that manage the SmackDown air thought. This is the second episode of WWE SmackDown during the 4 week of the Money and the event that was occur in the Roman Reigns and the Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes has been missing from the WWE programming event has since Giant Bombas of lost WWE Championship to John Cena at the WrestleMania 41. Cody Rhodes dodged an interview after the match and has not been seen since Raw and SmackDown. At first place, I was a bit hard and for whatever it worth, WWE website once again list Cody Rhodes as one of the featured superstar for SmackDown tonight. That detail was not worth a damn last week when Cody Rhodes remained absent, but tonight shows in Georgia, which is essentially Cody Rhodes country. Will Rhodes return to WWE tonight to address his loss to Cena and potentially get himself booked in a match against the Travis Scott? Money in the Bank qualifying the matches continue tonight with triple threat match of Charlotte and Women's United Championship. Zanzilla, if the Queen fall to in her debut that SmackDown will Flair's begun to Drew McIntyre and Damon Priest are ready to end each other for good inside of Steel Cage tomorrow match, but the Damon Priest is all WWE Tag Team Champion. Roman Reigns today's match has cancelled, but the Samoa Joe and Damon Priest also clutches the match and event after the big fight, and eventually the cancel of the Roman Reigns and Randy Orton. WWE star CM Punk net worth in 2025 salary, lifestyle and more. But the career was also on the fight in AW locker room led to his suspension and later his contract being ended. The incident hurt AEW's image and left Punk without a company. While many feared his strong personality would cause more backstage issues, being things changed when WWE stepped in. Punk and Triple H ended their long feud, and Triple H offered him a major role, showing a new mature and war of the match. But there is a star ready and start to flex. It was a big moment that was captured by his person and growing man. Look at the CM Punk success and earning. CM Punk also has majority in the cage, but there is also the Roman Reigns also fluid, but Solo Sikoa and Tama Tonga also joined the bloodline and created of the Ulavata team. There is a major chunk of use that CM Punk life outside the spotlight and making the Punk live a pretty fancy life. He owns a beautiful house in suburban at Chicago 2025 at Los Angeles, which was at $40 million. That he created his lifestyle and ownership of the Judgment Day. That was the battle match who created this dispensary of the matches. Guys, at the moment of the WWE, here is the creation and making of makings.